Good morning from the happiest place on earth. Today we are going into Disneyland for early entry, so we will take you along for all the fun. We're going to purchase Disney Genie Plus today, so we'll show you how many attractions we get on using Disney Genie Plus with the Lightning Lane at Disneyland and California Adventure. We're going to be experiencing a lot of the Season of the Force offerings, so join us for a wonderful day at Disneyland. Since we're staying at the Grand Californian Hotel, first we had to go through security. On Disneyland days, this is a little bit more busy over here. In all truth, the line went pretty fast though because they added some additional security cast members. They started to let us into Disneyland at 7:20 a.m., then those with early entry access headed towards the Plaza Inn to scan their hotel key. Then at 7:30, the mad dash for early entry began. Most guests were headed towards Peter Pan or Hyperspace Mountain. Rope dropping Alice, here we go.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, have a look around.
Mr. Rabbit, wait! He went this way. No, that way. Now this is curious. I wonder if
I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait! Don't go, please!
Right the road is there. We get that spot. With their head.
Goodness!
As you can see, the line for Peter Pan is over 30 minutes, so we are opting for the 5-minute wait for Snow White's Enchanted Wish. Alright, the park is about to open, so lots of the early entry crowd is gathering at the back entrance to Fantasyland to head towards Rise of the Resistance. On Disneyland early entry days, the hotel guests really have an upper hand getting to the attraction first. And once we were in line, it only took about 15 minutes to get to the first showroom.
Star Destroyers. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship now belongs to the First Order. Everyone out, now.
Resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detection of delayed. There they are! Fire! Recover troops! These escape pods just below us! Take those now! Hurry! No, not up! I said now!
I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the vehicle cannons!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your help.
This attraction is always so much fun, and as we were waiting for the park to open, I made our first Lightning Lane selection for Hyperspace Mountain, and that is ready for us to use right now. We basically just had a 5-minute wait for the attraction. Now we need to go meet back up with the little ones who did not go on Hyperspace Mountain. Okay. Cinnamon rolls at Jolly Holiday Bakery means it's time for breakfast. Our next Lightning Lane is ready for Big Thunder Mountain. Now it's time for our Soarin' Over California Lightning Lane. And even though you can't hear it very well in the audio, my nephew has Patrick's speech down perfectly.
Hello and welcome to Soarin' Over California. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
For lunch today, we ordered 8 different items to try from the Food and Wine Festival and really liked everything. But as with previous years, our favorite was the Snickers macaroon. How is it, buddy? Now it's time for our next lightning lane, Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure.
For example, check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
This is awesome.
How do you sling webs?
Slinger.
Yeah.
Dentro de tu enfoque en todo momento.
I hope we win big.
Activating motion tracking, assigning individual items. I know you'd agree.
Little help here! Yes! Am I glad to see you guys? Wait, the green box exploded. If we intentionally hit those green box, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That's true.
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction didn't work!
Now we're gonna head back to the hotel for a quick nap before heading back into Disneyland for the evening. Alright, now that we're back, it's time for our Star Tours Lightning Lane. We waited about 12 to 15 minutes on this one.
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Sir Patana, greetings.
3PO.
We actually have a few lightning lanes built up, so first it's time for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This was a great one because we walked directly to the pre-show, no stopping.
Nothing can stop us now.
Can you all hear me way back in the back?
We have to stop them before they go over them.
So beautifully together. Now, let's we finally made it. We've had one crazy ride. I'm with you by my side.
Maybe Mickey parked him. Alright, or is it the... Hey Adele, how you doing? Alright, now it's time for our lightning lane for Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. We waited about 5 minutes for this one, while other guests were waiting 25 to 30 minutes. Tonight we're going to have dinner at Rancho del Zocalo, then we'll be running to our next lightning lane, the Indiana Jones adventure. on in. And now we're gonna have some dessert at Hungry Bear Restaurant for the churro funnel cake. Once we finish this up, we need to run over so we can see the fireworks tonight.
Just where it starts, how it grows, from just a spark.
Come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
Two more lightning lanes before we end the day. First stop, Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters. And now it's time for our last lightning lane of the day at Pirates of the Caribbean. They've actually added it here for a limited time because Haunted Mansion is currently shut down. Alright, that will do it for our full day of using Disney Genie Plus. We were able to use the Lightning Lane for 10 different attractions, and on top of that we were still able to go on other attractions, including Rise of the Resistance. We ate lots of good food, and got to see the fireworks, so overall, an excellent day. In the description below, I'll link a video where I share my tips and tricks for making the most of Disney Genie Plus, but for now, it's time for bed, so thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all again real soon.